Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I'll be upgrading my shower head to the Canopy filtered shower head. So I've been wanting a filtered shower head for so long. I know like the amazing benefits of removing all of the minerals and chlorine and contaminants from tap water, and all of those stuff building up on the hair can cause like drier hair, and then you have to use a chelated shampoo more often or a sulfate shampoo to really remove them. So I'm excited, and it's also good for the skin too, so that's an added benefit. So this is the Canopy Bronze shower head right here, and it is a handheld, so I will be doing an installation and showing you guys more about the brand. So I did receive it in PR, so thank you so much Canopy for sending me your shower head. So they also have the added on benefit, you can also add on essential oils, and this is the scent diffuser that it comes with to attach the essential oils to it and hang it in your shower for that aromatherapy. And there's also a scalp massager, y'all. Like, what? A shower head with a scalp massager. I was just so really excited for that. So this is the scalp massager right here. This is how it looks. So you put it on and you can actually use it to massage your scalp while you're washing your hair. That's so cool. There's also the hose for the handheld shower head right here. I'm excited, so let me go ahead and I need to take down my old shower head and then install my brand new Canopy. So it does come with a wrench just in case you don't have one handy. So now it's time to install my Canopy shower head. I'm so excited. So I start by removing the old shower head that I had up here. So this is a Speakman. I do love my Speakman, but I'm excited to get that filtered water. So I was using the wrench that came with the Canopy, but that wasn't working out. I switched over to my adjustable wrench that I usually use for my other shower heads, and that worked out just fine. So I just twist it off with that wrench until it is completely removed. So this is the part you're going to use to screw onto the nook. So it's very easy to apply. I just go ahead and attach it to that nook, the screw section, and I just twist it, and then to tighten it, just to be safe, I use my wrench. So this is optional. They say you can just use your hands to twist it, but I just like mine to be super secure. So now I'm just taking off the plastic pieces on both ends of the hose, and then I go ahead and take one end and screw it on. Make sure that you screw it as tight as possible so that it can be nice and secure. And I have to get my little TikTok Reels content, of course. So take the other end of the hose and screw it onto the head. Make sure that this is also as tight as possible. You don't want to have any leaks. And it should be nice and secure. I am loving this color. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I just want to wash my hair right now and use it. So this is a clip of my first wash day using filtered water, and I am super excited to upgrade my healthy hair journey and take it to the next level for 2024 and include filtered water. So I look forward to all of the amazing benefits such as increased moisture absorption. I look forward to my treatments working better. I don't have to detox or clarify my hair as much. And also I look forward to the improvement of my scalp health. I won't experience as much itchiness faster because there isn't any like minerals such as chlorine, magnesium, and iron and mercury building up on my hair and scalp. So there are so many beautiful benefits. So if you notice that your hair is super dry, no matter how hard you try to like do treatments, or your curls just look dull, or your scalp is always itchy, maybe you need to upgrade to a filtered shower head. So definitely give it a try if you feel like you are experiencing these things, because you never know what may work, girl. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and give this video a rating.